Hello friends, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. I hope you're doing well today. In this tutorial, I want to focus on a feature available in the software alarms feature of the Protege GX platform from ICT. And it's basically the ability to have a different wave file, so a different sound playing for different type of alarms, okay? So in this example today, I will use the status of my door here, basically for generating forced open or left open events on the door, and then we'll show that each of these event types will have a different sound, okay? So this can be quite useful if you have some security guards that are supposed to watch the monitors at all times. If they're doing something else, if they're away from the screen, at least this way they can know that there's something wrong going on. They can go back to the station and then take action on those software alarms. Okay, so again, we already showed you how to do this. Again, I'm just going to show you how to create different sounds and then link them to existing alarms. All right. Let's basically open the GX software. All right, from the home page, you will see here that basically under global settings and sound. Okay, so this is fairly new. It's available in the recent versions of Protege GX. Before, there was only one sound assigned to all alarms. Now you can create different sounds. And then, interestingly, by default, ICT has a folder with several different sound types that you can link. And the folder is also created on the local on the remote workstations. So basically, if you map the sound on the server, this will also work on the clients. All right. So again, under global settings and sound, we can add different sounds here, and you see they are available already for you in that path. So in the ICT folder, Protege GX, and then alarm sounds. Okay, so I have already created one for alarm, the other one called Combi one, so it's default name. Okay, so that's the first step. Then, as we saw before, quickly we can go to events and event filters. I have one event filter created for door forced open and another one for left open. Okay. And then the last step before I can show you the result is under event, alarms. We have one here called door forced open alarm. We link the event filter to it. Typically we put an instruction to tell the person using the software what to do, all right, or what they should do. And then under alarm sound, I assign this one here, okay? Same process for the one for left open. We link the event filter, the alarm, and then we can save, okay? There's also this option, interesting option here. You can make it optional or making a requirement to put a comment. Typically, if you're using this feature, it would be recommended to enforce that they put a comment and not just acknowledge the alarm, leaving this field empty, all right? So basically, no matter if the software is minimized or not, if you're doing something else in GX, if I now force the door open, I remove the beeper activation to make it audible for the wave file. So you see now the wave file is playing, okay, in a loop. Let's see, put this as a comment. I click OK, and then the the alarm is acknowledged and the sound will stop. And you can see here the little bell icon is now showing 0 alarms. Okay, if I do the same here, hold on, after like this. I force the door. Actually, I leave it open in this case. So it's going to show, if we go to events here, you see, so it's showing, the pre-alarm and the left open. I make it very short so it's faster for the video. All right, again, I can right-click and acknowledge the alarm, and the sound will stop. Okay, so this is basically to force the operators to focus on the platform when there's an alarm, and then they can go and close the door or advise the person who forced it not to do it again, whatever. So again, this was how to create different wave file or different sounds for the Protege GX platform when you have software alarms. Okay. On top of that, you can obviously have the readers beeping on alarm, or also have your sirens activating, but this is basically what I call software alarms and sounds, all right? So again, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, all right? And then if you need any kind of help, you can reach our support and sales team from inaxsys.com. All right, thanks for watching. Fred Bergeron, see you soon.